Alright, this is a voiceover on this trade. So as price traded down into the 15-minute buys and balances and efficiency, I'm getting into that trade. I'm in. Initially, trading view lagged, so I got in with more contracts than I wanted to, and I had to take off some later. So price started displacing in my favor. My stop loss is below the 15-minute buys and balances and efficiency from which I'm taking this trade. So this trade idea is based on the narrative that sales have been engaged on a 15-minute time frame. Smart money has performed short covering, and now they are pairing sell stops with buy orders. And at this time of year, we expect higher prices with seasonal tendencies higher. So I'm anticipating support at the bullish rejection of the consequent encroachment of the weekly discount week. We actually saw price trade to its lower quadrant, and we saw price reject, and this occurring after NQ has engineered those equal lows on the nasdaq and swept them. If you look at the previous videos, you would understand that narrative. So I'm buying below midnight open in a discount. I'm buying after a 1 hour market structure shift, which I've been waiting for the longest, and it finally happened. And I see a bullish displacement just ahead of the open. Trump was speaking at 8:30, and he granted this move with bullish displacement. So the opening bell retraces to 15-minute buys and efficiency and discount of the 5-minute leg up. So as it retraces down into that leg up, you see me buying like an OT in discount. So the draw liquidity is clear. Is the buy side looking for some very swiftly smooth highs. Those highs were so smooth. I wrote on the chart, if you can look at it, you see even a blind man could see that those highs are too clean. So at this point in time, I've taken a partial already. My stops are way deep into profit, and I'm just waiting for that target to hit. It took a great deal of patience. I had to sit and wait. This is the stock index. This is not really the future, so maybe displacement not too much here. But eventually I got my 10 minutes hit, and it's winner chicken dinner.